Finally, we have Vocabulary Spelling City, and this is different because it is one that you can purchase the premium package, but for what we use it for at my school and in our classrooms, you do not have to pay for it. And the kids also can still use it at home, or parents can use it at home as well. So you have a student or an educator admin. If you're wanting to set it up for your kids at home, you can use the admin. I'm going to go ahead and just sign in so we can look around, and we have a school account already, so I'm just going to use that so that you guys can kind of see. So what we do is you have all of these options to create a list of their spelling words or vocabulary words that you're wanting them to be able to work on. And so I have all these lists that we have worked on throughout the year. And so I'm just going to click on this one. And then you can see all of the words that are on this list. And then you can try a game. So this is where you get into the free or premium. So there's all of these games and all of these ways to help you study. But if you click on the free version, that list gets smaller, which is totally fine. There's plenty of different ways here for your kids to be learning and learning how to spell these words, or learning the important parts of these vocabulary words without having multiple different versions of different games. This is something that my kids would use if they had free time. They would come in and work on their spelling words, and they're getting to play a game, but it's also teaching them their spelling words or their vocabulary words. And so that's something that I really enjoy. And also, like I said, their parents can use it for free if you have trouble having your kids study at home, or if they don't want to. Throw this in there once in a while, and that can just help them to have more fun with spelling words than anything else. And I keep saying spelling words because that's mostly what I use it for. It does have the vocabulary word option though as well.